Imagine your mom gets arrested, not for a crime, but for simply being there, trying to understand what's going on. No warning, no explanation, just cuffs and confusion. What would you do?
Here's my stop. You're going 73 and a 55. Any kind of drugs or alcohol or anything in the car?
No.
Can I help you with something?
It's my son.
Okay, do you have the insurance?
I don't have it on me right now. How fast
It's going 73 and a 55. And it smells like weed in the car. You know he smokes weed?
It doesn't everybody. I don't know about it. So
Okay.
there's stuff in his car is what you're telling me?
Well, that's what it looks like.
You're going to get him out and look through the car?
I'm going to search the vehicle. Hop out for me, bud.
Don't get out of the car. Don't get out of the car.
Hop out of the car.
Do not get out of the car.
Why?
Get out of the car.
Get out of the
Because it smells like weed in the car and they're shaking the car. Step back here. I'm going to take a look through the car. Do you have anything in there besides a little bit of weed or anything? If you don't move, you are going to get arrested too, ma'am. If you don't move, you need to leave my stop now. You need to leave my stop.
Pull me over for speeding. That's
Yeah, don't.
I can't.
You need to leave my stop now.
You can arrest
Get back in your car and leave.
I'm gonna be here
I'm
with
telling
my
you right
17-year-old
now.
son. I will be here with my. He's
Just
pulling.
let it go.
He is pushing me.
You're under arrest.
Get on video.
Nope, you're under arrest.
Get on video.
You're under arrest.
Get up.
Get on the
What,
ground.
Are you kidding me?
Nope,
Get on
I'm
video.
not kidding you. I told you to stop.
Get on video, Bryce. Get on video. Are you kidding me right now? Get off of me. Are you kidding
Stop.
Nothing for nothing. What you
me?
do?
Off. What are
What'd
you
you do?
doing?
What'd you
Get
do?
on video
17
now.
stop me.
I did nothing.
What'd you do?
Get it on video.
What'd you do?
Are you kidding me?
What'd you do?
I did nothing. I stopped for my 17-year-old.
Relax.
Stand up.
Get off. Get off.
You want to go to jail too?
My
Get
hands
out
are
of my face.
up. My hands are up. My hands are up.
Get off of us. Who are
Turn
you?
around.
My hands are up.
What is wrong with
My
you?
hands are up. I haven't done anything.
I told you.
Put your hands up. Put your hands
You're
up.
under arrest.
Help. Hands are up. Help.
Stop. I told you to stop.
Hands are up. What the f*** did you do?
If you don't get out of my face,
What?
you're going to get tased.
What am I doing?
Stop.
What am I doing?
Oh my God.
You're going to get tased.
I'm calling up police.
Brian,
I already have him on the way, bud.
get off.
Stop. I told you. I told you.
Here, give me a mother. Give me. I'll record
You're
it.
under arrest.
Mother, give me your phone.
Put your hand behind your back. You're under arrest.
For what, mother?
You want to go to jail tonight too? Stop.
There's a police that's illegally arresting my mother for nothing. She did nothing wrong. There's a
Stop.
police. There's a sheriff.
Put your other hand behind your back.
arresting my mother for nothing.
Put your other hand behind your back.
On the ground because she came over here.
He is pushing me
Put
down.
I'm a minor and he's
I told you.
abusing her right now.
Leave your hand behind your back.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
She can't breathe.
Well, you gotta keep your hand behind your back.
Keep your hands on your back now. Now.
I can't breathe.
Now. Just listen.
I can't breathe.
Just
You gonna let me
listen.
put you?
She can't breathe.
Touch me again, you're gonna get tased.
She can't breathe.
You touch me again,
She can't
you're
breathe.
gonna get tased.
She can't. Okay,
I'm telling you right now.
I'm not touching you, am I?
Back up.
No.
I can't breathe.
Back
What
up.
am I doing illegal? What
Back
am I
up.
doing
Can't
illegal?
breathe.
What am I doing illegal?
Breathe.
Let her breathe. Officer's not letting my mom breathe right now.
Help me.
Really?
Help out, please.
Stop.
Arrest. Hey, put your hand behind your
Put your hand behind your back.
Put your hand behind your back, please. Her name, mother.
I'm not gonna tell you again.
What did she do wrong? What did she do wrong, sir? What did she do wrong to be slammed on the ground? Tell me. Tell me, please. Tell me.
17.
Hands are
Hands
up.
behind your back.
Hands are up.
Hands behind your back.
Hands are up. Behind my back.
You're going back.
Go, Bryce, go.
What did I do wrong, sir?
Get back on the ground.
Sir, why am I being arrested? Get on the ground. What am I? Well, why am I being
Put your
arrested?
hands behind your
Why am I
back.
being arrested? Tell me. I have every legal right for you to tell me why I'm being arrested. Why am I being arrested right now? Why am I being arrested right now? Tell me.
Stop.
Why are you slamming
Down on
me?
your knees. Down on your knees.
He doesn't hurt
Get down on your knees and wait. Get down on your knees. Get down.
Somebody record this. Somebody record this.
Help!
Record it, please.
Help!
Why am I being arrested right now? What's the
I'm okay. Just give me some units. I got 2 detained.
Emma, come here.
Stay down. Stay back.
Emma, stay here.
Can I get on my knees, sir?
Get on your knees.
I've been trying to.
You're both going to jail tonight.
For
Get on your
what?
knees.
For what?
Get on your knees.
Tell me why.
Get on your knees.
Why am I being arrested,
Now.
though? Sir.
Now.
Sir, sir,
I'm
why
not
am I-
telling you again.
I'm on my knees.
It's out of
You're
control.
both resisting
Get on-
arrest.
I'm on my knees.
No.
What the f-
You made it so I
Get on your knees,
What's wrong
please.
with you?
On your knees and do not move. Stay right there.
Hey, Emma, come here. I need.
Just record
Stay
it.
right there.
We have it recorded. What he did is ridiculous. It's all going to be all over social media. Just wait.
Both are getting in the car. You stay right there. You just stay on your knees.
Where's my phone, Bryce?
You gotta stay on your knees.
Yes, sir. I'm not.
Stand up for me. You're getting in the car.
Bryce, where's my phone?
Stand up. You're getting in the car.
Bryce!
I have.
Stand
Give it to
up.
Emma.
It's right there. It's right there.
Get off my phone!
You can just go.
Get my
Please.
phone!
Stand up. You're getting in the car.
Hey, check your phone.
Stand up for me.
Emma, grab my phone right there. Emma.
Get in the car. I don't know why you don't know how to listen.
Mother, get a phone, please.
You're under arrest.
For what?
You're going to jail tonight.
He is a fucking.
You sheriff.
He pushed down me couldn't breathe. He's gonna get in some shit.
Yep.
It's gonna be all over Facebook.
Have a seat, please. You are going to jail tonight. Kick me. Make it a felony.
Quit.
Make it a felony, please.
My mother.
Get your feet in there. Sit down.
Car, mother, please.
Oh, there's a felony. Good job.
Hey, I'm not doing anything wrong.
Fine.
Why am I being arrested?
You're being arrested for
what?
disorderly conduct.
For what?
And obstruction disorderly.
Obstruction to what?
Me.
What did I do to you?
Get in my face and grab
I did not get in your. I touched
Yes,
you
you
once.
did.
I rubbed your shoulder once.
You're going to jail too.
For
just
what?
So you know.
Are you sober right now?
Oh, I'm 100%.
You sure?
Yeah.
You don't sound very sober.
Back here.
Hands are. Hey, look, hands are behind my back. Look at
He
me.
needs to go in your car.
I'm doing nothing
Yep.
wrong.
Just for a minute. You people need to move on to that lot up there now.
So what have I done wrong? Besides speeding.
Get in the car.
I know, I am gently.
Get in the car.
You can be polite, you're a bitch.
Move your foot. Jesus Christ. Go into that lot now. Give me a minute. So, will you tell them they can slow down? Jesus Christ.
Bitch must be really small.
Hope you enjoy jail tonight.
Hope you enjoy your fucking life.
All right. I gotta catch my breath, dude. Yeah, I'm just out of breath.
I got you.
So, I just pulled him up for speed. Looks like he's got weed in the car. Mom pulls up on scene. I try to just tell her, hey, he's got weed in the car. I'm gonna pull him out of his car. She loses her shit, gets out of the car, starts interfering with my stop. And then I tell her to move on. She won't. Tell her she's under arrest. She says she isn't. And we go from there. Yeah, I'm good. I just gotta catch my breath. Their whole family apparently is up there in that parking lot. I lost my flashlight. I've got their phones around here. They like to play the game. Oh, I should have a flashlight somewhere.
Maybe get in better shape, fat ass.
Yeah, I'm good, man. I just...
Anything hurt?
No.
Okay.
So, I go to stop this car. He's doing 73. So I said, well, I'm going to get him out and I'm going to search the car. Well, she doesn't like that. So she's telling him not to get out. I get him out back here. She comes, start interfering with my stop. I tried to tell her to get back in the car. She wouldn't listen. So I told her she's under arrest. Said she's not under arrest. We wrestle. Took her down a few times. He kept getting in my face, kept trying to grab my arm. So she's definitely going to jail for obstruction, probably disorderly, and she spit on me.
She cuffed?
She is cuffed behind her back.
Okay.
Yeah, the whole time I'm trying to get her cuffed, he's down in my face trying to grab me.
Okay.
I lost my flashlight. Had his ID right here. It's somewhere in the grass. Where the hell is my flashlight? I think is that it. There it is. Yeah, I got my flashlight at least. But their whole family members are all in that parking lot right there. I don't know. They all were stopped, screaming, yelling.
With the kid?
Well, he's at least getting a ticket for the speed, and then I think he should be charged disorderly. And let's see if I find any weed in the car. But there's shake and all sorts of stuff in there.
Yeah.
And there's mom. That's mom's car. I think that needs to go to the impound lot.
Tell you what, let's get. Why don't you just take her to jail?
Okay.
And you can give him his sites later. So
I got to find his license and figure out what his name is. I hadn't done that yet.
Okay.
We hadn't gotten to that point.
All right. Well, if we can't find a license, we can't find a license. But
Okay.
we'll get his. Ryan and I will ID him.
Okay.
He'll get loose, but I want her off the scene.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, sweet. I got his ID, so I'll run it real quick and save it and save the.
That's fine.
I don't know if that's hers or not. Sounds good.
I have so many connections, you have no idea what you just said, sir. We have that all on video. It's going on everything.
I have it on video too,
Good.
ma'am.
That is great.
So-
because you told me I couldn't stay with my 17-year-old son.
You're right.
And then you fucking forced me on the ground.
Shh, we're not going to sit here and argue, ma'am.
Your job is on the fucking line. You don't know my connections. It's going on. It's
Okay.
going down.
Okay,
I will be, yeah.
that's perfectly fine.
I hope your kids, I hope your wife, I hope they all get because you are a fucker. Karma is a bitch. How dare you treat me and my son that way?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it's all fun and games to you, isn't it?
Not really. Is your name Jessica?
You to say that. You.
Is that your name?
You.
Okay. Like I said, you're going to jail tonight.
You.
That's fine.
That's right.
Yellow Toyota.
Here's his ID. So, all right, I'm out of here with her.
All right.
Is this your phone? Do you want that to go with you or go to your son?
You.
Do you want it to go with you or your son? All right, well, it'll go with you then.
Motherfucking ass, I'm gonna blow this shit up on you.
Okay.
Why? You don't know who you with.
Okay.
Out of this. What am I
17.
You better take pictures of the bruises you left, motherfucker. You almost killed me. I'm on the ground telling you I can't breathe, and you still got your knee in my back. I couldn't breathe. Who the f do you think you are? You don't even know what you just said. What's your name, fat ass?
My name.
Fat ass? Is that it? That looks about right.
Negative.
A little fat ass with a little. That sounds right. That's it. You just lost your job. You watch. You don't know who I know around here. There's no throw me down.
Stop talking.
Oh, you. Fat ass motherfucker with a small would blow this shit up. You fucking guy fucker. I will make sure of it.
Listen, you have the right to
No, you
remain
don't.
silent. Anything you say can and will be held against you in court of law. You have the right to have attorney presence during any question you cannot forward one. Want to be appointed to by proper authorities. You understand rights I just told you. There you go. Exercise them now.
The woman was taken into custody after being accused of interfering during a law enforcement operation. According to her family, she did not engage in any aggressive behavior and was merely trying to understand what was happening. They believe the situation was misunderstood. She remains innocent unless found guilty beyond a reasonable doubt by a court of law. The case is still under investigation, and her loved ones are hoping that the truth will come to light soon. Thanks for watching. If you found this video eye-opening, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Police Insight for more real-life crime stories, legal breakdowns, and shocking cases. Stay informed, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.